Hi guys! Coming from Subic, we decided to spend a few days dito sa Clark, Pampanga. At sa sobrang dami ng hotel na nakita namin, na nahanap namin, we found one which is the Wynns Boutique Hotel. Upon entering, you already get or you will be receiving a welcome drink. At syempre, bubuga na agad sa iyo ang swimming pool. Pero after a few minutes, they took us to our room, very spacious, very nice, komportable. At syempre, you also have a jacuzzi inside your room. Social, di ba? And all the amenities, everything you need, available po siya in your room. So, very convenient siya. At syempre, if you want to relax, you can have a swim here, pero medyo lamigin ako, and it was also raining. So, what I did was, I prepared a cup of coffee. It's complimentary, sang ka pa, so avail on that. Otherwise, in the afternoon, they have a free wine, so better grab that opportunity. At syempre, cheers everybody! So, on the second day, medyo gumanda ang panahon, and I can tell you, talaga napakatahimik. Even if there are swimmers around the area, tahimik pa rin inside your room. And on the second level, they have this lounge where you can sunbathe and you can also have your breakfast. Guys, you have to try this healthy breakfast. Super sarap niyan. And for the kids, they really enjoy their Nutella pancake with banana. Talaga namang super sarap na, and they also enjoyed that. And these are some of the rooms that they have in the boutique hotel. Hindi siya ganun kadami, but then again, perfect for the family, for friends, or babarkada, or couple. Well, that's all the time. Maraming salamat, Wynns Boutique Hotel, for a great service. See you again soon.